Hey everyone, it's Cindy. Thought I would check in with you and let you see what I've gotten done. Today's Thursday. My open house to the public is Saturday, but I have to be ready for everything by tomorrow night because I have some friends coming over. Yes, I am out of breath. I am on the second floor and I have been going up and down, up and down, up and down, taking things out to my car. Let me turn you around and I'll let you see what I've gotten done. I am so exhausted. Actually, today is probably a better day. I'm not quite as physically to the core exhausted, but I'm pretty exhausted. But if you watched my last video, I'm sure you can totally tell that this is a big improvement. So I have all of that. I do need to arrange all that. I have to price stuff still. Man, I got to get prices on there. And more importantly, I got to get the prices off that say what I paid for them. I don't want anybody trying to buy it for what I paid. That would be bad. So look, I got a curtain up there to block, pay no attention to the man behind the curtain kind of thing, so that people don't see what's going on back there with all my boxes and gunk. I did some stuff over there. That's got to find a home. Of course, I have to vacuum all over the place in here. It's just a mess. I'm going to try to go slow because I'm going to swing. I have to put the little table away. All right. Let's come in here. I spent most of my time in here today. I want to make this into a sign to put in the entryway, and I had this little rusty bucket and some of these flowers laying around, so I threw them in there. I'm going to set them with the sign. Hopefully, I'm assuming I have enough time to do that. These have a home. They're just there for the time being. So I set this up. Oh, scissors. I set this up. Craft supplies. So in here is basically my art studio. And this is where I'm keeping craft supplies and my artwork. So over there I did all of this. I have to price that. Those are little crafty gifty items that I purchased from another area artist. I have those there. Still some huge boxes that have to get put away. I don't know if you guys remember seeing what that looked like, but I really made headway there today. I feel very happy with that. So I'm going to actually clear this whole thing off. And then that white table there, I'm going to put that in the landing with that sign that I just showed you, if it'll fit. Because those spindles sometimes make it hard for things to work, but that's the goal. And then this thing, I can just roll that out of the way, assuming that I don't fill my roll away space with stuff. I think I want to put some more crafty items there if I can find some. I just threw those glass flower frogs down there because I had them. And then this is my stuff. That has to be put away. That's more of the cards that I have over there that are prints from my chalk painting. So that's what's going on. I have to put away my Halloween decoration. I got this. I've been telling myself that all day today. You've got this. You've got this. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be, presentable. So I'm getting there. I have a feeling that I will be perfectly set tomorrow. I do have to get up early and get here early though. So I didn't get here until later today, which was a problem. I do need to go out sourcing once a week because I go through a lot of stuff. So I did take off and go sourcing for a couple hours today. And then I had some errands to run, so.
For $6. I've sold these. I sold one actually in its original box, but it just makes me want to make donuts. I won't, but it just kind of makes me want to make a donut or eat a donut. More than likely just to eat a donut than make a donut. Look who I found. Baby Beans. And she works. So I'm going to get her. I want to say she's $4. Baby Beans. We're going to get her. She's coming home with me. It's a his and her clown outfit. Mark said that we should get those and be clowns for Halloween.
Told on that price tag, $375. Oh my word. 30 years ago, this would have been a $1,500 desk, and you know it. roll top with the tambour intact and not falling apart. Look at the handles, raised oak. At the knee hole as well as on the sides. I have to remind myself I live in a tiny 1925 bungalow. I can't have it.
It is the night of my friends and family's gathering here at the studio, and I can't believe it. I'm done. With a half an hour to spare for me to eat my dinner. I'm going to show you. I know you guys have seen it all along, but I'm really proud of how much I got done and what all I did. So I'm going to turn you around and show you. All right, so truth be told, I think there's probably some pricing left to do, but I think mostly everything got done and priced and, you know, arranged and made to look nice and all that good stuff. I don't know if I showed you the curtain on the opening or not. Look, nothing on the floor. All right, I'm gonna swing. Whee! All right, so coming into the studio, you will notice a big change. Speaking of pricing, I don't think I priced any of that stuff, but or those little things. They can ask. But look, you guys, look. Look at how clean and neat. And you see what I did over there? I hid all my gunk behind a little white curtain. And it looks great. Cleared the counters. I cleared the floor over here. Of course, you know, there's my computer, but now wait for it. I did something that I'm really happy with. I wasn't planning to do it. Look what I did there. I added that curtain. So, and I have a piece of Velcro on it so I can Velcro it shut. And then look, I neatened that up. I don't know if you saw that before or not. So yeah. So I get to eat my dinner and just relax for a little bit before people come. So I'm really excited. Tomorrow is my actual open house to the public, and that'll be from noon to 4. I'm not sure when I'll publish this. I may actually publish this tomorrow. So if you're seeing it and you're in the Northeast Ohio area and it is Saturday, you're going to want to come out and see me. I hope. Anyway, hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to leave a comment and a thumbs up. It always helps the channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Wow, what a couple of weeks. I meant to post the week of my open house, but I just was so crazy busy that I just did not get a chance to do it. So I'm going to do a little follow-up here and share with you, you know, kind of what the studio looks like now. I'm laughing. You'll see why. I had another wonderful week last week too, but so busy. Today is Tuesday. I had 3 sales last week, the week of Thanksgiving, and it took me, I started doing my shipping procedures on Saturday, and it took me all of yesterday and all of today to finish them. Several packages were picked up today, but I still have a lot more to go, and I'll show you. So the studio is kind of in a little bit of a mess right now. I had to pull that out to do my shipping. It'll go back before people come back up again. But they made a lot of holes. I'm not complaining at all. I did have to move the tree down there from where it was because it was not very steady. So, but anyways, wait here. It's probably better if I back up. You guys see that? That is all the packing or the shipping from last week's live sales. Well, actually, I had one drop sale. So all of that, plus there were several packages that they picked up today, like maybe 10 additional packages. But that's all of them. I am waiting on a few people to that were billed earlier to pay for their packages, and then most of these I just invoiced today. So hopefully they'll all go out tomorrow, and I will have space cleared up so that people can walk in the studio, because they gotta have a place to go, right? So yeah, I did, because I was doing all the packing today, I didn't really get a chance to pull things for my sale tomorrow, so I have to do that, which means I have to come in a little bit early, which means that I will not get as much administrative stuff done at home as I like to do. I have family administrative stuff I have to take care of. This stuff will get put back. That's just there for now, but these are fun. I just picked these up. Isn't that fun? Oh, let me share with you what I did. Hold on. As we're walking around, I'll turn you around. Bing. Okay. So I got together with some arty friends on Sunday, and we made a wonderful project. It was inspired by something that was in Somerset Studio magazine, but mine is quite a bit of a departure. It was inspired by, but nothing like. Anyway, made this little guy there. So I was really happy with that. The lady who presented the project to us gave us all these amazing boxes. So cool, really high quality boxes. I actually went out and ordered more so that I can do more, but they are pricey. Thanks, Stacy. They are pricey boxes. So yeah, I love when I start with, you know, really good materials to begin with, but that's what I got going on there. I sold almost all of my artwork that I had created in October. This is the only little piece that's left, is her. Everybody else is gone, and yes, I'm real happy about that. So thank you to everybody who came out to the open house or to the studio or to one of my sales. I really appreciate you. I will probably include a picture or something here at the end of this video to show my upcoming studio hours. You can always check out on my Instagram as well, but I do have a number of hours that I have posted, which means I'm going to be here. So if you do live in the area, maybe you can stop by and say hi. Thanks for joining me, you guys. Hey, if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up as well. That helps with the YouTube algorithm. But more importantly, leave me a comment. Anything will do, an emoji, a punctuation, just a hi, whatever you want to do. It so helps the videos be able to reach more people. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.